Hey guys, this is Train Man Ray here, and we're about to catch a train here in Camp Point. This will be my first one in a while, so I'm going to be enjoying every moment of this one. I'll even zoom in for you a little bit. 2 times. We caught this on a green just in time. First it was a yellow flashing. And here she comes. There's the end of our train.
Now, if you saw a yellow flashing on that one, then that was for that direction. That's got to come this way.
So we could have a second one.
We could have a train meet.
Oh, nice. Well, this is one of these occasions, guys, where we could say Train Man Ray was back with a new video, and he is happy for that train. Catch you guys for the next one. Stay awesome as that horn blows.